we have a problem of sorting the array after merging two array in one. Okay, so we have given two array like nums1 and nums2, and nums1 have the nums1 have total element m plus n. In the first m element there is element in sorted order, and after that there is no element, like there is places 0, and at that place we have to insert the element from nums1 and make it sorted and return it in nums1. So we don't have to take extra space here, and we have to solve this array in m plus n times. Okay, so basically your approach will be there will be two approaches and three approaches, and there can be more approaches like that. So the first approach we can try is we have as we have like see here, as we have nums array 1 2 3, and in the last three element that is from m 0 0 0. So basically in that place we can insert nums2 element, like in the place of 0 we will insert 2, and in place of next 0 we will insert 5, and again in the place of 0 we will insert 6. After that we will sort the array by array dot sort method. Okay, so basically this will take m plus log n log n m plus n times. Okay, so this is exactly the bad idea for sorting for solving this problem, as the question is already saying that we have to solve this problem in m plus n times. Okay, so what we can do here is like we will start it solving from think like that we have two arrays nums1 and nums2, and the both the in the both array they are sorted already. Okay, so we can do here like we will compare one element at a time. If the if one element is greater, then we will place it from the last. Okay, so like that, think like that. We have 1 2 3 0 0 0 and 2 5 6. So we will start comparing the element 3 and 6. If 6 is greater, then if I will place it at the place of 0, again now we will decrease the pointer from 3 to I will come is 2, and again we will check from 2 and 5. If 5 is greater, then I will place 5 at the place of the next 0, and again we will do like we will decrease the pointer and we come here at the place of 1, and we will compare it from 5 from 2. If this is greater, then I will definitely place it at 2 0. Okay, so let's try to solve it on the pen and paper so we can understand it clearly. Okay, so let's try.
Okay, so so this is clearly visible now. So let's try to solve this problem. As we can see here, we have two array nums1 and nums2, and nums1 as nums1 the size of nums1 array is m plus n, and the size of nums2 array is n. In the first m we have element, and in the after that there is no element, like there is places only 0. Okay, so we will track the indexes. First p1, we will track p1 for nums1 from m minus 1, that is from here, this is p1, and we will track the second we will track indexes for second array, like for nums2, so this will be p2 from n minus 1. Okay, so this will track from here. After that we have one more index for inserting the element from the last in the nums1 array. Okay, from here, so with the second index the third index will be index. Okay, and it will keep track the indexes from here. So basically this is m plus 1 m plus n minus 1. Okay, so now let's check whether the element of nums2 is greater than from nums1 or not. If the element of nums2 is greater, that means we have to place it from the last for in the last. Okay, so we will place 6 in the last, and we will decrease the index and we will decrease pointer p2. Okay, so here the index will be decreased from decreased by 1, and again p2 will be decreased by 1. Now again we will check from is index is 3 is greater than 5 or not. So basically 3 is not greater than 5, so we will insert 5 at here at index, and decrease the pointer. We will decrease by 1 again, and we will decrease it again by 1. So now again we will check it from again. So 3 is not now 3 is greater than 2. So what we will do, I will insert the element of index from index. I will insert the element of p1 to in index element. So we will do like that, we will keep here. Okay, and now again we will decrease the pointer, so in p1 will come here and index will come here. Now we will check is p2 p1 is index p1 is greater than 2 or not. So no, this is basically the equal. So we will again, we will do like that, it will come here and this will come index out of mind. So now we have already sorted the array like 1 2 2 3 5 6. Okay, now let's code it.
Okay, so now it's time to code it. Okay, so as I have already said, we have to take three pointers. First will be pointer p1, that will start from m minus 1, and the second will be the pointer p2, it will start from n minus 1, and we will take one more index, that is for tracking the inserting parts of in nums1 array. So basically this will start from at the last. So we will keep the we will insert we will keep the inserting for to the last. Okay, so it will be index, and this will be a start from the last. Okay, now we will run a while loop, that is from for while p2 is not, while p2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and we will check here if p1 is not even greater than 0. Basically, so if the element, if the p1 is greater than 0, means if it will in the indexes, right? Then and I will check here that if nums1 array nums1 in nums1 p1 element at p1 is less than from nums2 array at the element of p2. Okay, then what will I do? Place element and decrease it by 1, and place the element of nums1 of pointer p1 and decrease it by 1. In the else case, we will do opposite of that. Okay, so we will decrease by 1 and place the element of nums2 and decrease the index p2. Let's try to run it. Just a second. I think this will be greater. Yeah, that's good. So basically this runs in your test cases. Now let's try to submit the question and analyze the time complexity of this problem. Yeah, it's beats 100% like. Okay, so the time complexity of this problem will be my while loop is running at p2 until the p2 is greater, and we will keep tracking the indexes from m plus n minus 1. So basically the while loop is running m plus n times. Okay, m plus n times. Okay, so the time complexity of this problem is big of m plus n. Let's analyze it from the AI, and what is saying that. Okay, so we have to upgrade it to analyze mode. uh, so let's end here. Thank you, we will meet in again other video. For till now, thank you.